What if this was to happen in your house? Soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, red wine. If you were to spill this on your floor, what would happen? That would absorb right into your grout. You would take a chamois, just wipe it right off. See how everything gets dark and dirty? It absorbs right into your grout, staining your grout instantly. Just spray the Tubby grout cleaner and scrub it with a brush. What this does, it opens up the pores of the grout, relieving any discoloration. Then just towel dry the floor. Now I'm going to show you how easy it is to do the Tubby grout seal. Just apply a small bead of Tubby grout seal down the center of the grout, scrubbing it in with a brush, making it all even. Draw your finger down, filling the pores of the grout. Take the chamois and just wipe it right off. Once your Tubby grout seal is applied, it'll look like new again. Soy sauce, balsamic vinegar, red wine. Just wiping right off, making your grout easy to clean.